SpringPoint Suite's web scheduler is a great way to view, add, and edit scheduled tasks from any web browser, whether you're at your computer or on a tablet walking around the shop floor. Here you see we are in the month view. Green are employees related to the scheduled tasks, and blue are the associated jobs. Hovering over the tasks, you will see a summarized view for each job, employee, or asset not shown. Clicking onto the task shown will take you into the edit page for that task. In this case, we have gone into the Edit Employee view. We see the employee's work code and the job they are assigned, along with the required notes, which is where you would describe the work they need to do. At the top right is our employee utilization section. Below that, we have job information, including the required work from the job details page. If we click into the blue Add View Job Log button, we are shown a screen that would list all previous logs or give you the ability to add a new log. This will be attached to the Job Log tab and will not be visible to your customer. To the left, you can see the start and end date. The end time is calculated by adding the duration to the start time. The target date is also known as the deadline, or the date this task must be completed by. After you have edited the fields, you must click Save to store the modified record. On save, the system will search for conflicts related to the employee and job tasks. If you needed to edit, you would click Close and Correct. You can also click Confirm Save to allow the conflict. Back in our web scheduler, we will also switch over to our week view. Here, you now have a list on the left side allowing you to see all the jobs, assets, and employees. Clicking the plus and minus button will expand and collapse the list for easier viewing. The filter icon to the right will allow you to filter on common fields, narrowing your list even more. Let's go ahead and expand the jobs. Hovering still gives you a summary, as shown on the month view. Clicking into a job takes you to the job edit screen, but you can also click Employee or Asset to view those related to this job. Scrolling down takes you to a quick calendar to help you plan your day or week. Similar to the month view, we can hover and click into the employee to modify any information necessary. Back in our web scheduler, we will now switch to our day view. You still have the list on the left, but now we are presented with the scheduled tasks in hourly sections. In this view, you are able to drag and drop the hours from the left to drag start times and from the right to drag end times. If your modification is going to conflict with another activity, it will alert you, showing the conflicting entry. If I click into an employee on the left-hand side, it will give me that employee information along with some quick history and utilization. Clicking into the Asset tab will show any related assets this employee is scheduled to work with, while the Job tab shows all the scheduled tasks that this employee is either scheduled for or has already completed. If I click into the job on the left side, it will give me job details along with the ability to add or view a job log. The tabs at the bottom is full of great information. Important dates help with planning. Job lines show materials that have been added to this job. PO details show items that have been purchased for this job, along with their received status. Assets show any assets assigned to this job. Employees show all labor scheduled, and attachments show any related job attachments. They could be from QM Wizard, mobile paperwork images, or any number of documents added to the job. I hope you enjoyed our web scheduler overview. For more information, check out our other training videos through your knowledge base, or by going to the Help section using your login at spsuite.com. Feel free to contact one of our team members at support@springpt.com.